Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood shop. My mom's birthday's coming up pretty soon, and we like to make people gifts for their birthdays and holidays and things like that. Last year we made her a hanging wall clock. If you want to see that project, you can check that out right here. Now this year we're going to make her a 3-tiered shadow box hanging wall shelf.
What we have here is just a piece of project wood from the big box store. It is a 1x10 by 6. We actually fit this in our car. Didn't even have to take the truck to the store. And we're actually going to be making 2 shelves from this one board. We've been doing some craft fairs. We've got another one coming up, and we thought this would also make a great woodworking project to sell. So keep that in mind. All right, so like I just said, this is a 6-foot board. We've done some math, kind of sketched out what we want this shelf to look like and what the dimensions are going to be. Linear, we need about 57 inches of board, but we're going to split this board in half because we want our shelves to be about 4.5 inches, somewhere around there deep out from the wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by cutting a section of this off. We're going to cut 30 inches, that'll give us 60 inches total, and then we'll head over to the table saw and split it in half.
All right, next we're going to use the table saw to go ahead and knock the edges off of this. They're a little bit rough because they've been banged around in the store and everything. Then we'll saw this in half, and as you know, a 1x10 is actually 9.25 inch wide. So we will split this down the middle and come out with 2 boards that are about 4.5 inches.
All right, we're back over here at the miter saw, and we're going to cut the lengths of our boards. We need 2 pieces that are 9 inches long, 2 that are 6 inches long, and 6 that are 4.5 inches. All right, we've got a nice stack of parts here. Before we assemble, we're gonna hit this with some 220. When you buy project wood, it already has a pretty nice surface on it, but we'll give it a little bit extra with this 220. Clean up some of these burrs that we got from sawing it apart, and then we will move on to assembly.
All right, now that everything is cut and sanded, it's time to start putting this thing together.
The first thing we're going to do is take a 9-inch piece and 2 4.5-inch pieces, just like so, and construct a Z shape. We'll do that twice, and then we'll put on our end caps. Let's show you how we do it.
Okay, the assembly step is done, and here's what we've got. Now you can mount this on the wall either this way or like that, if you like that better. But there's one more step to go, and that is the finish.
Today we're going to be using this Minwax Poly Shades, and it's in a color called Mission Oak. We've actually used this before. It's been many videos back, but we really like this product because it has both the finish, or the stain I should say, in the polyurethane in one step. So it's going to make this a breeze to finish. Let's go ahead and get this knocked out.
Well, now that we've given the finish some time to dry, our shadow box shelf is complete. Now, we made this as a birthday gift for my mom, but I do think these would really sell.
Honestly, the hardest part about this project was the finish. Super simple. We used a 1x10 and we just made a few cuts, air nailed it together, and it looks fantastic. I love it. I think next on the honeydew list is one for this shop. It is just beautiful.
If you like this project and this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring the bell to stay up to date on all of our content.
We're also out on the web at woodsongsbyrussell.com. Check all your social media outlets. We're out there, you'll find us. Thanks again for joining us today. Happy woodworking!